Get it. Oh my god. It is heavy, guys. Seriously. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Driven Daily. Hope you guys are all doing well. So today, we got a new manifold for the 350Z, which is kind of interesting to me. It's like, let's go take a look at it. Oh my god. It is heavy, guys. Seriously. Let's take a look at it and unbox the new manifold, guys. It's a Kinetix manifold. Bolts. Yay. Gotta love them bolts. And, oh my god. It's probably about like 5 pounds, give or take. Got the manual for it. Don't really need a manual. It's drilled in. Oh. That looks nice. Kind of looks carbon fiber, guys. Kinetix manifold, guys. This thing is frick. It does look very performance-y. I like how they did this too. It smells funky. But anyway, man, this thing is so light. Let's go put this guy on, hey? Sweet. That'd be nice. Well, it's alright. I got what I got. Built my car almost for track and stuff, but I don't think I gotta fix my stuff up. I found a bad tie rod on it. Not a tie rod, a sway bar link, guys, and it's wobbling in the back. That could be why my, yeah, damn, she wet. Could be why my car's squirrely. Unsafe at highway speeds. I remember when I was on the highway we did a run, right? And we were on a highway. Of course we're on the highway, but we're on an overpass and stuff, and all the people are doing like 150 plus miles per hour. I'm stuck at 100, and I hit a bump or the bridge, and my whole car went like this. I was so scared. I was like, oh my god. Okay, can he lift 3 now? Probably not. Now that one, buddy. 2. That one. This one. Man, I'm feeling that in my back. I'm saying like, ow. Okay, well, let's take this guy off and pull the other one on. Alright guys, it took a while, a little bit, but we got the Plenum on. Got the throttle body, and I had to take the spacers out because they weren't like the original one where they had drill through, so they couldn't go in all the way, so I had to take that off. So, this one is on, and now we just gotta bolt it up in the correct pattern. Alright guys, so we put the new Plenum on, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, follow, subscribe, guys. It was pretty epic getting something new for the Z, but see you guys on our own. Later. Peace.